You need to know about BoxyCharm, which is a subscription beauty box service that delivers you on-trend, full-size products from top brands every month. And now, for the first time, from Black Friday through Cyber Monday, you'll be able to get 3 different Best of Boxy deals without a subscription. There's the Total Beauty Aficionado box with, are you ready for this, 18 different products from brands like Tarte, Cover FX, and IT Cosmetics. It costs just $99 and has a value of over $465. The Makeup Junkie box has 8 items valued at over $240 for just $79. And the Light But Right Glam box has 7 beauty items valued at $180 for just $59. I love these as a way to try new things, but they obviously make amazing gifts for beauty lovers. You can sign up now for the pre-list on BoxyCharm.com or mark your calendar to shop for them from November 20th through 26th.